Welcome back, and let's look at Washington Computer Science Standards. Washington standards are relatively typical of what we have seen for computer science standards across the United States. So the easiest thing to say is they are aligned with CSTA, so they are essentially doing the same alignment that most states are undertaking. Let's take a deeper dive into the Washington standards. So Washington created its computer science standards back in 2017, and 18, as a measure to address the lack of computer science education in the state. The state actually has a lot of employment availability in CS, and they can't find qualified people. So education is a little bit under pressure to kind of catch up to industry. So what they have written, the standards, by the way, can be found here, and as I said, they're similar to what CSTA has written. It's a way for them to actually make computer science accessible to the secondary level. So if you'll read right here, by 2023, all high schools must provide at least an elective for computer science. So they'll run into teacher issues more than likely, because that's what every state runs into. But offering computer science in all high schools, in all public high schools in Washington State, will be mandatory by 2023 or so. Beyond that, here's their core of concepts. This is perfectly aligned to CSTA. Okay. And Washington State, the courses that align to state standards may count as graduation or math credit towards graduation. And these are the 7 guiding principles and practices that they foster to essentially design their coursework and lay out pathways. Beyond that, for REC, since again CSTA is this standard pathway, it's easy for us to make some good recommendations for Washington. This is kind of it. Here's middle school. And here is elementary. And at the end, of course, we make some recommendations for certifications. That's certainly possible through Washington's current pathways. All right, that's it for Washington.